Welcome to Section 3 of our LinkedIn Marketing 3.0 video training. Marketing on LinkedIn, step by step. In this section, we'll talk about LinkedIn company pages, LinkedIn groups, advertise on LinkedIn, smart ways to get leads on LinkedIn, how to do affiliate marketing on LinkedIn, using the LinkedIn feed for market research, small business resources to help you get more out of LinkedIn, and going premium with LinkedIn. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. LinkedIn company pages. LinkedIn might be a pretty different social networking site targeted at a pretty specific audience and with a very specific set of features as well. But at its very core, it's still a social networking site nonetheless. This means that it still shares some social features with the rest of social networking sites. But because this is LinkedIn we are talking about, we can expect to see a significant spin on how these features are presented and on the way that they serve the platform's members, such as in the case with a feature called Company Pages, which is LinkedIn's version of social media fan pages. The company pages are designed beyond the scope of simply sharing what you like with others, and as such they work specifically to help you grow your company's presence on LinkedIn and in turn on the internet landscape overall. The good news is that getting started with company pages on LinkedIn is an easy, straightforward process packed with a lot of benefits for your business. It all starts with you creating a free company page on LinkedIn, and the only requirements is that you have a LinkedIn account and a valid email address so LinkedIn can verify that you are apt to create a company page for your business. Secondly, you'll have to customize your company profile to give it its proper professional look and feel. LinkedIn recommends you to start by giving your company page a cover image and a logo to bring it to life. The logo that you use on your company page will appear on search results when people search for your company, and will also appear on the profile of your employees for an improved corporate presence. Once your company page is ready, you will be ready to start attracting followers by adding links to promote your LinkedIn company page by linking it through your emails, blogs, websites, and through any other source and placement that you use to bring online traffic to your business. One of the ways offered by LinkedIn for you to link to your company page is in the form of company page follow buttons, which you can also use the same way that you would use your company page links. And you can easily install them on your preferred placements with the help of an easily to implement plugin. Company pages are also a great way to increase your potentially viral reach. This is because you can encourage employees as well as your business leadership colleagues to add your company page to their profiles, which will help you to get more likes, comments, and shares to expand your reach and the number of people in your audience. Company pages will also help you to post and share content, and everybody knows that posting daily company updates is one of the most effective ways to attract engaged followers. News, articles, and even think pieces can help you to stir up conversation with your followers, because each one of your company page updates will appear across your company network, including placements such as in the news feed and home pages of your company page followers. You can promote your company pages through sponsored content updates that will help you to widen your reach beyond your network. Also, your company page can be used to attract and build your employer brand when you upgrade it to a career page. Creating company pages is easy enough, as you would only need to go to the company page button at the bottom of the menu. Then, enter the name of your company in the company name field and a custom yet simple name to add at the end of your public link URL that people can use to identify your company page on search results. Check the verification box below to confirm that you are the rightful owner or individual appointed to manage your company page, and then click on Create Page. Once you are done with this, you will be ready to start customizing your company page on LinkedIn.